Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Valorant update error. Something went wrong quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Restart Vanguard in Valorant Step 1. Close Valorant completely. Step 2. Right, click the taskbar, Task Manager. Step 3. End tasks. Riot Client, Valorant, Vanguard. Step 4. Press Windows plus R, type Services. MSC. Step 5. Find VGC, right-click Start. Step 6. Launch Valorant again. Fix 2. Run Valorant as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Riot Client. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Step 3. Launch Valorant from there. Fix 3. Clear Riot Client cache. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %. Step 2. Open Riot Games folder. Step 3. Delete the Riot Client and Riot Client Services folders. Step 4. Restart the PC and open Riot Client again. Fix 4. Reinstall Vanguard anti-cheat. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type AppWiz. CPL. Step 2. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. Step 3. Restart your PC. Step 4. Launch Valorant. It will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Fix 5. Update Windows. Step 1. Open Settings, Windows Update. Step 2. Install all updates. Step 3. Restart and open Valorant.